I start off in Hebrew. What I didn't know in Hebrew, I said in Yiddish. And what I didn't know in Yiddish, I said in English. And one of my mother's friends, every time I came to visit, would gather all her neighbors to listen to the Michigan Americans speak. But every time I tried to use Yiddish, and I didn't realize this before I went, people on the street would give me looks like drop dead, something like that. They wanted to do away with the feeling of Galut, the feeling of the Holocaust. You had to be Israeli, you had to speak Hebrew. But they didn't realize that when my father came over and the original pioneers came over, and they all came, those that came from Eastern Europe, their first language there was Yiddish, because at home they never really spoke the language of the country. It was Yiddish that they spoke. That's what kept the Jews together all these years. But it was very, very difficult. They just did not want Yiddish. And I think they really lost the feeling of the Jewish people that was wiped out, because they took that all away from the people who had it to bring with them.